your boy Ryan Extreme with another tutorial. We're going to be learning a backflip today in a blizzard. So step one with learning any backflip, you always want to take the safest route possible. So today, we're going to be learning it in snow. So, learn how to fail your backflip. So just like, if you know you're in a safe spot, just chuck it. You know what I'm saying? I'm in a safe spot, just chuck it. So you have your arms extended all the way up, come down, take off at the balls of your feet, and throw your arms back, alright? Just chuck it. Just chuck it.
Yes, I got my swagger back. Yes, I got my
And that's how you do a backflip, folks. Just like this. Look. Alright? Anywhere that stops. Anywhere that stops.
In Minnesota, do it.
You can learn a backflip. Use padding. If your parents can take you to a gym, do it. Just do it!
Look around us. This is Minnesota.
If your parents could take you to a gym, anywhere that's soft.
Anywhere that's soft, you guys.
Anywhere that's soft, just chuck it. And that's the video, folks. It's your boy Ryan Extreme. Alright.